I've been doing a lot of clearings lately and getting to like the deeper roots and beliefs. Some of this happens when I am in the quantum field, and some of it happens when I'm journaling. I'm doing this program called Relax Money, in which it actually helps you calm your nervous system down and get to other beliefs and work things more on an energetic level and the moon and feminine level. One of the activities that Kate has us doing is going through our life in themes of our life. And one of the themes is money and how we can be more relaxed in our money to manifest. And so it helps us get to the stories that we formed throughout our lives about money, what people told us, our programming, and what we have made the people mean and the meaning that we gave in significance to it to form beliefs, how it has served us and how it has helped us to be where we are right now, if we need it or not, and to clear it. So one of my beliefs about money was formed on this event. It was when I was at the grocery store. I'm about 6 years old. My mom is a single Vietnamese traditional immigrant mom with like 2 kids, okay? And I loved horses. And I wanted to ride a horse in front of the store, and it's one of those mechanical ones, and it was like only $0.25. I asked my mom for it, and then she was like, "No, Thuy, we're in a rush, please don't ask me." And then she kind of broke down and she cried. And even though it was just $0.25, and this is like back in like 1985, 86, you know, so $0.25 meant more than it does now. But she said that we didn't have the money for it. And I can see the hurt in her, and I could feel the hurt in her. And I vowed then that I would not ask my mom for money if I didn't have to, and that I would make her feel bad, and that I would make enough money to support her. And I took this vow. And then as I'm doing this exercise for other events in my life, I realized how I made vows then as well, or decisions, that they were really vows. And these vows can energetically hold you back, and that you don't even know it. And so after I realize this, I can clear for them. And so I want to help you now go through the things in your life and where you made vows, because vows can hold you back. They are energetic holds, and this can actually impact the future generations after you. So this would be for my daughter, Bella. And so after this video, I want you to go through the things in your life, how you experienced it, write it down. If you can write it down on a piece of paper or a journal, or even like type it up. I actually started writing it down and then I typed it up because I want to have a list of it so I can clear it. Whatever form that suits you the best. Okay, so after that, you want to grab your pendulum, and the pendulum can be anything that has weight to it at the end. You can even use a necklace as a pendulum. And so I'm using this, in which I've been wearing for the last couple weeks. It's a key, and it's also got this stone that is jade. It's pink jade. So you want to get into a clear space and be you, and be one resonance and calm and relaxed. Now, with the pendulum, you want to ask, show me my yes, show me my no, show me my clearing, and then show me my installing. Okay, so for me, my yes is rocking back and forth, my no is to the side, my clearing is clockwise, and my installing is counterclockwise. It may be different for you. Okay, so this takes practice. In the very beginning, you're going to be awkward because you're uncertain, unclear. But the more you practice, the more in tune that you are in your vibration, it will be better. Okay, and so now I ask, please remove all non-beneficial and negative energies on my spiritual, physical, and mental bodies, transmuting them into pure, fifth-dimensional energies of healing, peace, love, and joy. And so I'm just clearing myself first, and then I will clear for the vows. Okay, so mine's pretty quick because I do it on a regular basis. So I like to do this nostril breath, in which I breathe in and out of one nostril beforehand. So now I'm going to ask to clear the vows. Please remove the vows that I made that are not serving for myself and future generations. Please clear the vow that I made on the horse about my mother, in which I vowed that I would take care of her. I would never ask for her help. For the best and the optimization of all, for the highest good. And I say this because there are many levels to it, and only the universe knows what level it needs to be for my highest good at this time. Not all things can be removed or what you're expecting, because it can undo things that are actually good for you. So you want to optimize it and for the highest good. Please do this across all time, dimension, space, and realities. And then you want to install the energies that are good for you now, because you needed that, okay, at that time. And now, are there energies that can be installed from this incident that can be optimized for it? Yes. Please do that now. Please install the energies for the highest. So you can write down what it is that you want to help you out, but energetically, if your intention is there and you ask for the optimization of it, the universe will know what to do across all time, dimension, space, and realities. All right. Well, I hope that this moves you forward in removing some of the blocks that you have on the energetic fields in regards to vows. We made vows, and sometimes that holds us back, and it is like a background programming. This is really, really good if you had a breakup. This is really, really good if you had a divorce, because if you got married, you made a vow. You need to undo that now for you and the other person. So may you be free, may you find peace, and may you have grace and courage. When you start on the energetic level and you shift the energy, your reality will shift.